Y'all by now done heard all the business strategies. You done heard all the business game. You done heard, you follow all the powerful speakers. You follow Earn Your Leisure. You follow 19 T's. You follow this person. Oh, you follow this financial guru. Oh, you follow the real estate guru. Oh, you follow the marketing god. You follow the beauty queen. You follow everybody. And I get so sick and tired of people telling me who they follow. I don't care who you follow, because based on your result, you ain't following nobody. When I look on your page and you got 4 posts up there, you post once a month and you telling me all these people you follow, you ain't following them. Because if you look at what they doing, they got links in their bio. They done executed on the ebook. They ain't worried about what mama gonna say, daddy gonna say, wife gonna say, husband gonna say. They get to work. We sitting here watching podcasts, getting hyped up. Oh, nigga, you see the podcast? Hey, boy, that podcast was fire. And you sit here doing nothing, but you done watch the podcast, though. You done checked out the podcast. You done watched the full podcast. You hyped up. Oh, we gods. Oh, boy, we kings and queens. Boy, we got that Eve gene. Oh, boy, we from Stardust. Oh, we the original man. Boy, we feel, and you don't do nothing with the knowledge. We don't do nothing with the knowledge.